Hello and welcome back to another day for building the island table, kitchen island thing. Yeah, it's like extremely hot out here today in Texas, and after this weather storm,
like springtime.
So it's been a week since I worked on this table. So I'm actually going to do a little bit of editing today. You know, cut, edit, copy, paste, and cut a few inches off of the legs so that the table is no longer bar size height, but a counter size height. So it's at about 42 right now, and it needs to be at 34, 32, something like that. I need to check. So I gotta flip it over and start cutting the legs, and then I can continue working on it. So let's go. Hello there. Alright, looks like my cutting the legs worked. I need to sand just one leg on the double side where the extension is. And next up we got concrete. Doing the concrete counters, and I have my wheelbarrow now so I can mix it and put it in here. Yeah, super excited. And I'm not sure when I'm gonna do it, but you'll see. Hello and welcome to another day. Today we are pouring concrete for the island, voila, back here. And before I do that though, I'm gonna brace the table up a little bit. So I'm gonna put a brace down here, brace over there, put two braces in the middle, and stabilize this thing a little bit, because I'm putting concrete, and concrete's heavy as a mother. And so I feel more comfortable if it's stabilized, and I need to stabilize it regardless, so let's get it. So I just got the brace on and it's in the house. I need to cut a tool to even out the concrete because my sides on the table are too high. I don't want, so it would be like 4 inches of concrete, and I don't want 4 inches. I've seen a lot of people just use the top of their mold to level it, just put a board straight across from it. But since mine is too high, I have to put something in it. So I'm gonna make a little tool to do that with some scrap wood. and there's a couple spots where it's like a tiny bit low, but I think it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna wait until it hardens up a little bit and then take a finishing trowel to it, smooth it out, and then cover it for the night. And then hopefully tomorrow it will be pretty hard. And then we go from there. So, what do you think, Miss Christie?
I think it's gonna be great.
Cool.
Looks heavy.
Yeah.
Gonna work out.
Yeah, tired. Really tired. I mixed 2 bags of concrete and they were a little bit too much to do with just a shovel. And then I mixed 1 and it was good, but I should have put more water into them because it should be self-leveling, but it's not watery enough, so it will be a little bit, but not as much as it should be. So Miss Christie didn't give me the directions properly. It was her fault. So
Slide angle, like makes it like that.
You gotta go to the side.
Nail head.
Alrighty.
It's gonna be great. Can't wait to share meals and cook all the good food for you on there.
Thanks.
Okay.
Alright.
Gotta go clean.
Hello again, and I am back with the table, island table build, and it is a Saturday. My wife just left for her work, shooting weddings, and so I'm gonna take off the forms on this bad boy and see how it came out. Yo, it looks pretty good. Review of using the what is it called? It's not melamine, it's I always forget the words that I need to use while on camera. But anyways, I'll put it on the text. But that's not melamine. I was wondering how it's gonna do, and it looks like it did pretty well. One of the things I was worried about is that the paint would stick to this, and there's only a couple spots where it did. See here. That should be easily removed from sanding. So when I sand the whole thing, it's gonna come out crispy, it's gonna look nice. It looks freaking sick though. One of the things I wanted to point out was, here, let me get in the sun. You see under here, right, under there. So some of the paint did stick here, but so the plywood is what I connected those boards to. And then I just unscrewed it, and it came off super easy. I didn't put anything on the boards, just the boards themselves. Screwed it in, connected it around, caulked it, and that's it. And it came off really easily. Didn't have to use a hammer, just my hands. And yeah, pretty sick. I'm pretty impressed. Be painting it black, staining it or sealing it black too, so that should be covered up. But I'll sand it just in case. Alright, I got sawdust, concrete dust over everything. Now I gotta clean it up. Hey buddy, you wanna say anything? You wanna say anything to the camera? Yeah, you like boxes. Alright, we're inside today. Back inside. This is the box for the chairs. A couple of our chairs. We have 2 other ones being custom made. They're like nicer chairs. So I'm gonna put these together and then put them on the table. I got these from Wayfair for a pretty reasonable price. Buddy's trying to get the camera. Wayfair, I will let you know how they are. Check out these sick instructions. This is the chair. This is the chair you're supposed to build. And this is how you're supposed to build it. You put the screws in the bottom of the chair. Wow. Genius. Alright, it's a little low. So I put the chair together. This table looks huge the way that it's angled with the lens and how low the chair is. But it's actually kind of nice, so you don't have to dip down so far to eat your food. You can just, you know. Also, fun fact, my torso is pretty short compared to my legs. So I'm gonna see how my wife, she's like 5 feet tall, sits here. Like I said, we have other chairs coming in. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for watching me build this table over the past few weeks. And Buddy says hi and subscribe, like it, and let me know in the comments what your favorite part about the video was and what you would like to see in future videos. Alrighty, see y'all later.